Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you are feeling good, looking good, and ready for another jam-packed reading. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwantarotandtea. Come and join the Love and Light family. Alright, today's jam-packed reading is all about, okay, what your inner Empress wants you to know right now. Now, this was a message that came to me intuitively when I asked, what does the collective, need to hear right now? And this is what came up, and I thought, okay, we're gonna go with it. Okay. The Empress is talking, and I hope these messages are going to, just resonate, okay, and that you can just use them for your own, healing, for your own well-being, and just generally just feeling good, okay, because that's what we're all about at Wagwantarotandtea. Okay, so we have pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. So which number is calling you? Okay, go to that number and let us know what you are sipping on today. I've got turmeric latte. Let us know what you are sipping on today. Okay, and it's funny, I felt drawn as well to having something wholesome and nutritious like a turmeric latte. So let us know what you are sipping on today. Put it in the comments below. And also, we've got just big up to all of the collective for all the lovely messages. Thank you for all the lovely messages that we have received. They are more than welcome and more than appreciated as well. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, we're going to do a quick gratitude and then we're going to get into the read. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective and anyone who clicks on that button and to watch these reads, access the intuitive gems from these reads so that they can use these reads to strengthen their intuition and to also strengthen their discernment every time, and to give them that good energy, that good feeling as well, and to uplift and enlighten their Empress energy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so we have pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Okay, go to the number that's calling and I will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we have pile 1. Let's see what messages are under pile 1, the intuitive gems that you need to hear right now. But before we begin, please, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to Wagwantarotandtea and get nice and comfy as we gather these intuitive gems. Let us know what you're sipping on, and thank you for all the messages, and let's get into it. Alright, Wagwan. Right, we're gonna pull out the Jamaican proverb first, just to see what message wants to come out for pile 1 regarding your inner Empress. What does your inner Empress want you to know right now? Ooh, so we have a wadi go do, the kid follow. A wadi go do, the kid follow. So this simply means what the goat does and what the actions that the goat takes, it will also impact on its generation that comes after that goat. So being the kid, so the kid is like a baby goat or an infant goat. It's what they will see, so they will kind of act out what they see their elders do. Now I feel like this is, for this to come out, So again, children look up to and digest behavior patterns from their significant elders, or like parents or guardians. So it's about setting good examples. But I feel like this could also be taking that on for yourself, collective, and making sure that you are setting good examples for yourself. Sometimes we could have experiences where we may not have always seen the best of examples when it comes to managing everyday life examples, okay, whether it could be in love, relationships, our own well-being, speaking life into us, and like all those kind of things. And I feel like it's kind of your inner Empress right now wants you to know the importance of doing that, and the importance of speaking life into you, okay, pouring into your cup, okay, looking after you, expanding on your own interests, and really making sure you are giving yourself that time and investing in you, okay, investing in yourself, okay. So let's have a look and see what's under pile 1. Okay, let's see Wagwan. Right, so quite a lot of messages wanted to come out. Let's start with the oracle actually. So I feel these are from the self-care oracle deck. I feel my worries washed away. So turn on everyday activities into a ritual nourishment to feel cleansed and refreshed. Okay, I am resilient. Harness the power of your care with a grounding exercise to help you relax and release any physical tension. I can see things from a different perspective. Shake off mind fog, fatigue, and rejuvenate. Okay, now let's have a look at the tarot. And remember, it's all about setting good examples. Okay, so we have the high priestess. I'm going to say the high Empress, but essentially the high priestess is the high Empress and the high priestess, because it's like, you know, it's that kind of strong, defined feminine energy of really trusting yourself. And I feel like, you know, whoever's like clicked on this one, I feel like this message was, you know, really for you to kind of like tap into that energy of, you know, whether you might get some things where sometimes you might feel unsure about certain things. I feel like it's saying, yeah, to be confident in taking action, to be confident in your thoughts and your own decision making, trusting your intuition, using your discernment, okay. And I feel like the high priestess being here is like that reminder. You might be seeing lots of twos, okay, but I feel like it's really saying to be in balance with your intuition at this time. Look at that. The intuitive gems are coming out. The 2 of Cups. Look at this. We've got 2. The High Priestess represents number 2. Okay, number 2. And what comes on after number 2 is the Empress, number 3. So you might be seeing 2s. You might be seeing 2s and 23, 2 2s, or 3 3s. Okay, and then we have the 2 of Cups. Okay, I feel like it's saying, and the Ace of Cups, intuitive gems. I feel like the 2 of Cups being here, I feel like this is also a reminder to pour that love into yourself, especially with the Ace of Cups being here, like to do everything and via the lens of love, being kind to yourself, speaking life. And again, that's the message that keeps coming back. Speaking life, speaking into existence. Speak what it is that you want. Don't feel no way about it. Be confident, be brave, take action, invest in yourself, pour that cup. And I feel like this is also like maybe a message for, you know, for some of you who may feel like You've been pouring in other people's cup, pouring, but you may not have always seen that. And I feel like your intuitive sense is really kicking in at this time, because I feel like it's wanting you to now shift that energy into you, shift that energy into you. But I feel like with that energy of you shifting to yourself will bring so many opportunities, okay, of abundance, joy, okay, with the Ace of Cups being here. And I feel like this is also a divine message for your inner divine feminine, your inner divine empress right now. Your inner empress really wanting you to recognize this and allow yourself, okay, that you can see things from a different perspective, okay. Feel your worries being washed away. Okay, really trust in yourself at this time to invest in yourself, whether it is you wanting to start a new course, you wanting to start something new, okay, maybe it could be a new exercise routine, it could be you want to do a spring clean or of some sort, or some kind. I'm getting like a lot of new energy, like but putting that energy in you. I feel like the more you do that, that will also help your inner energy of your inner empress expand. Okay, remember, expand in numerology, and when it comes to the empress, it's all about the energy of fertility, the energy of growth, okay, the energy of expansion. And I feel like this is your inner empress right now really wants you to tap into that energy of growth, tap into that energy of investing in yourself right now, okay. But especially with this Ace of Cups being here, pour that love to yourself. Pour that love into yourself. Fill your cup, okay? Whatever it is that you wish to do, whatever it is that you wish to aspire, or have dreams about, or have any ambitions, take action, okay? Talk to yourself in a loving manner, okay? Build those healthy relationships with yourself now. Okay, if you haven't seen those things, or if you haven't witnessed those things, okay, now it's your time to say, right, what is it that, what standard am I setting for myself? Okay, let me set my own standard, and my standard is going to come from a place of love, of nurture, and I'm nurturing that into myself, so that energy carries through me. And whether you have children or anybody around you, that energy will carry, okay. Think of the law of attraction energy, okay. So we're going to, I hope the messages are resonating, collective, but we're gonna just pull out some well-being messages. Let's just see what additional well-being messages you need to hear right now. So what does pile one, what does the collective who chose pile one, what do they need to hear right now? Okay, so we have try a weighted blanket. Now that can be really comforting, or something to do with maybe an exercise routine or anything like that. What's your favorite shows? So maybe taking that time, again, invest in yourself. If it's something that you love doing and you enjoy doing, take that time. Turn off your phone, okay? That could be a really good way to, build that relationship that you have with yourself, to have some time for yourself, to connect with your intuition, okay? Maybe through silence, maybe from listening to sounds, meditation music, okay? Book a chiropractor. Now this could be, maybe if there is some kind of like, I feel like this could also be like the feeling of weight, okay? The feeling of weight on your body or anything like that. Now, again, it's always about trusting your intuition and using your discernment. But I feel like maybe someone needed to hear this at this time. Get some fresh air. Get some fresh air. Get some fresh air. Yeah, and I feel like this is the good time to connect with nature. You know, things are starting to blossom. Embrace that. And I feel like that's also part of you blossoming as well, and letting your inner Empress blossom. That's what your inner Empress wants you to do right now. Focus on breathing. Focus on breathing as well. Taking deep breaths. We can do it together. You ready? You ready? Okay, let's take a deep breath in. Good. Now hold it for just 2 more seconds, and then we release. As you release, just feel like everything that you may have you might have any worries of, anything that's not serving you, anything that's not aligned with you, anything that is, no longer adding to you. We're releasing that. We're releasing that. And we're going to do one more deep breath and allow good, positive, loving, nurturing energy come into our existence. Take a deep breath in. Ooh, that feels good. And out. Okay. Hey, collective, I hope this message is helping you to feel that good energy. Okay, right. So last but not least, we're going to end this read with a clarification message. Okay, using the good karma, let's have a look and see what message does the collective who chose pile 1 regarding their inner Empress. What does their inner Empress wants them to know? So what does their Empress want them to know right now? Okay, can we have a message please to end the read? Ooh, we have the Page of Swords. So I feel like the Page of Swords being here is that reminder of speak it into existence, write it down, manifest it. I feel like seeing the Page of Swords being here, I feel like this is like a reminder of like everything starts from the mind, and the Page of Swords can represents that energy, of seeking that mental clarity. And I feel like it's also saying, trusting yourself, trusting your intuition with the with the High Priestess being here as well. Everything starts with your mind. So, setting yourself good examples, so greatness can come to you, abundance can come to you. Write it down, speak it into existence. Don't feel afraid about pursuing your dreams or anything like that you have, that you wish to pursue. Anything that's worrying you, write it down. Okay, maybe complete like a releasing ritual where you just write it down, and you could just maybe just like throw it away, or do a meditation or a breathing exercise to help you to feel more at peace and more aligned with your inner Empress. Okay, so to the collective who chose pile 1, I hope the messages are resonating. You know what we like to do around here: take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. Take what resonates and leave the rest. But be sure to look good. Big up yourselves every time. Okay, tap into that energy of your inner Empress. Okay, look good, feel good, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 2. Okay, so we're gonna look and see what messages are under pile 2 today. But before we begin, sit back, relax, feel nice and comfy with a nice cup of tea. Let us know what you are sipping on in the comments below. and just, just sit back and relax as we gather these intuitive gems. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwantarotandtea. All right, let's get into it. Let's see Wagwan. Okay, so we're going to start first with the Jamaican proverbs. Let's have a look and see what message wants to come out for the collective. Ooh. Okay. So we have take where you get till you get what you want. Take where you get till you get what you want. This simply means to, take what is given to you right now, and so you can work towards getting what you want, okay, or what you truly want. So work towards your goals. Every little steps help you to get where you want to be. Be disciplined and be consistent. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. Okay, your inner Empress wants you to think of or focus on. I feel like it's like your inner Empress wants you to focus on your long-term goals, but do not see like making those little milestones as something as like, oh, should I be focusing on my time on this right now where I really want to get this? And I feel like your inner Empress is saying yes, because every little helps. Every little thing that you do is going to help you to get where you want to be. So keep on doing and keep on focusing on what you want to do so you get towards that. And I feel like it's also saying you'll be surprised the opportunities that may come from you staying consistent and staying disciplined. Okay, so the intuitive gems are coming in. Right, we're going to start with the self-care oracle messages. Okay, so the first one, I can be, and the thing is a lot came out as well, so we're going to go over them. Okay, so the first one, I can be here for myself. Meet your inner elder and unlock your self-soothing capacity. And I feel like this is a reminder, collective, okay, that to be present for yourself. Okay, and I feel like this is what your inner Empress wants you to know at this time. Okay, it won't be like this forever. So if there have been some trials and tribulations that you've been going through, just know it won't be like this forever. Okay, when life gets tough, break things down into chunks and keep yourself anchored in compassion. Okay, and I feel like this is also being in compassion for yourself. Okay, making sure you are doing that. Again, intuitive gems, to take what you get till you get what you want. Okay, work towards your goals, no matter how small. Okay, no matter how big, work towards your goals. Be consistent and be disciplined for yourself. Okay, now sometimes we can be very good at being disciplined and consistent, when we're working for others. Okay, or let's say we're in a job and we have to get things done, and then internally that can leave our inner Empress being neglected. Okay, we're not taking time to then maybe pour into our own cup. We're not taking time to invest in ourselves, or whether it could be in a relationship, or whether it's a romantic relationship, a platonic relationship, sibling relationship, family relationship, any type of relationship whatsoever. Sometimes we can be very good at feeling like, okay, showing that nurturing love, being caring, and perhaps I feel sometimes we can also, and I feel like I am guilty of this as well. Let us know if you're guilty, of sometimes overgiving, and that overgiving can then result to you feeling depleted and feeling unappreciated. And I feel like this message is our inner, also like our inner Empress really wanting us to really tap into that energy of saying, we take that time to pour into your cup, because if you do not pour into your cup, you leave yourself unbalanced. Okay, there's going to be an imbalance there. Okay, and Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I can protect my peace. So there is no time and place for all of our thoughts and feelings. Get out of your own way and honor your boundaries, okay? Get out of your own war. Get out of your own way, okay? Get out of your own way. Focus on what lies within you, okay? Focus on what lies within your control. So focus on what lies within your own control. That's all we can focus on. When your mind is drawn to anxious thoughts, or when you feel overwhelmed or overwhelm hits you, be gentle with yourself, okay? I am diligent. Rather than focusing on errors of what's lingering on your to-do list, harness the energy boost of your harness the energy boost of recognizing your accomplishments. Yes, and I feel like this is again working towards your goals. Intuitive gems are here, working towards your goals, no matter how small. Okay, no, you know, maybe it can even feel like sometimes like you're going ahead, and it just feels like nothing is going anywhere. But I feel like this is a message and a reminder to, you know, when you might experience those times, or you have those moments, is to just continue in believing in yourself. And even if it's just saying, you know what, I know everything I'm doing is not in vain. I believe in myself, and I'm going to continue to invest in myself. I'm going to continue to be that person for myself. Okay, I'm going to continue to be my biggest cheerleader. You know, I'm going to continue to work on my boundaries. So, you know, all these kind of things that, you know, to boost you up, to, you know, again, we're all about feeling good around here and bigging up yourself. And I feel like, you know, we need to do a lot of that. And I feel not only just, you know, here or at Wagwantarotandtea, but I feel like this is also a message from the inner Empress that really saying, you know, take that time to big up yourself. Take that time to nurture yourself. Take that time to love on yourself. Take that time to pour in your cup. So let's do it. Let's do it collectively. Look at this. The Ten of Swords being here, and the World, and the Hangman. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, collective. The Ten of Swords being here. And I feel like the Ten of Swords is like this reminder, you know, take what you get till you get what you want. You know, don't see things as, sometimes things can feel like, oh, maybe a door has closed, or a door has closed on a relationship, but you know, and it may have, you know, maybe had to have like some time to go through healing, to invest in yourself, to work on yourself, to maybe understand, you know, the lessons that you needed to learn from that. But I feel like this is a reminder for us all, you know, to really not, you know, with the, because this is like the Ten of Swords. The Ten of Swords is like, well, you know, this is like an end of a cycle. But look what's here. Look what's here. You look what's here. It's the World. And I feel like the World being here is like another reminder that, you know, I'm getting on and on, okay? On and on. I think it's Erica Badu, yeah, that's coming up in my mind. On and on, you know, things going on and on. It's like cycles, and I feel like this cycle now, this your inner Empress is really calling right now, calling you to really come out. I can see lots of circles, lots of cycles, like just, yeah, you know, things are going around. This is your time now. Take this. And I feel like it's almost like it's wanting you to catch it. It's like, right, it's going around, catch it. This is your time now. This is your time now to grab onto that cycle and take that lead with being comfortable with being you, being comfortable with being at peace with whatever it is that you wish, whatever it is that you desire, you know, whatever it is that you wish to do, whatever, any aspirations, any ambitions, anything. whether it comes to love, money, and career, maybe wanting to just work on yourself. I feel like with the world, it's also maybe to explore, try new things, travel, see new places, try maybe even eating different foods that that could maybe come across or be foreign to you, or trying new things, being more worldly, being more open, being more cultured. Yes, darling, being more cultured. I feel like this is the energy I'm getting, okay? Whereas maybe perhaps there wasn't that energy going on before, and I feel like it's saying now take that time. Your inner Empress really wants you to grow at this time. Okay, think of the Empress energy is number 3 in numerology, in the tarot. It's 3 represents the energy of growth, the energy of expansion, and I feel like your inner Empress right now wants you to do that, okay? And with the Hangman, again, I feel like it's that energy of being at peace, being at comfort, okay? With knowing that everything that you're doing is not in vain. It's all part of our life lessons. It's all part of our growth. It's all part of us healing, ascending. And I feel like this is the reminder that your inner Empress wants you to have at this time, okay? So we're going to pull out some well-being messages. Let's see what well-being messages wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 2. What does your inner Empress want you to know? Just have a quick little shuffle. Feel like this one to come out. We'll put it out. So it says, what's your favorite show? What's your favorite show? And I feel like it's like tapping into you, investing in yourself. Get dressed. Yes. This is the energy of the world. Get up, get dressed up, and step out in your, in your sassiest, sexiest, any number that you have. Get yourself out there looking good, feeling good, embracing, whether it could be a new fitness regime, it could be you going out, trying something new, really taking the time to invest in yourself, looking good, feeling good. Yes, I feel like Auntie Love wants to come in. But yes, darling, looking good and feeling good every time. Thank you, Auntie Self Love. You're welcome. But yes, it's that energy of feeling good. Tapping into that energy. Your inner Empress wants you to tap into that energy. Okay, tap into that divine feminine energy that you have, that is waiting to come up. Okay, and we need to let it out. We have FaceTime, call a friend as well. So, call a friend is, always good. People that you trust, you have a trusting and loving relationship, can also support you at this time. Perhaps it could be even like going on a dinner date or a lunch, having brunch and cocktails, something fun, okay? Diffuse essential oils. And again, I feel like that could be a really good way to bring peace. Look at the Hangman, being at peace, okay? Being at peace and generating that peace, because that also having some time for that peace can also help you to tap into your intuition. It can help you to tap into your inner Empress, okay? Wow. Go to the zoo. Wow, the zoo again, about trying new things, getting yourself out there. I feel like this is a reminder for you, collective. What? Hey, look. So I'm so excited. I'm really excited. Go to a comedy club. Look at all of these things. And I feel like this is a reminder to really get yourself out there, try new things, have fun. I feel like it's a strong energy of needing to laugh, needing to have a really good laugh at this time. And I feel like, if you could do that through watching your favorite shows, reminiscing on those things, having a good chat with your friend, or maybe a friend, where you've had lots of memories together, where you can chat about lots of things. I feel like this will be a really good for you at this time, and tap into it and enjoy it. So last but not least, we're gonna pull out the good karma. Let's just leave this reading or end this reading with a clarification or clarifying message. Can we have a message for the collective who chose Power 2? What do they need to know right now regarding their inner Empress as a lasting message? Ooh, okay. We have the Four of Cups. It came out in reverse, but I feel like this message is now about like taking those blessings again. The intuitive gem. Take what you get till you get what you want. Okay? Sometimes things might not always look like it may be a blessing, but I feel like it's the universe saying, you know what, this is the time to grab that cycle. Say that, you know what, I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to work on myself, invest in myself, do the things that I enjoy more, whether, and that's again tapping into that energy of self-love and really running with it. And I can just see a blossoming of your inner Empress, and just feel this feeling of overjoyment, and tap into that. Okay, tap into that, because I feel like that's the energy that your inner Empress wants you to really grasp on right now. Okay. All right. So to the collective who chose Power 2, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take what resonates and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. Okay. I saw it go. Okay. This simply means that's how it goes around here. I saw it go. But be sure to look good, feel good, tap into that inner Empress energy. Okay, and I will see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 3. So let's have a look and see what messages are under pile 3. But before we begin, sit back and relax with a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice. Okay, get nice and comfy. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwantarotandtea. Alright, let's see what messages your inner Empress wants you to know right now. Let's see. Wagwan. Okay, we're going to start with the Jamaican proverb. Let's see it. Right, so let's have a look. Ooh, okay. So we have, and not everything good for eat is good for talk. And not everything good for eat is good for talk. And this simply means sometimes if we have information, it's better kind of just kept to ourselves. Okay. So don't repeat everything you hear, no matter how good it is. Some tea is better left cold. And I feel like this could be also your inner Empress wanting you to say, think of the energy of the Empress is the, number 3. In numerology, in the tarot, it focuses on the energy of growth and expansion. And I feel like it could also be when you're wanting to manifest or bring things in. Sometimes it's like taking that time to really focus on getting yourself clear with it, because if you bring any other energies that might kind of want to self-doubt, that then can impact on your energy if you're not fully clear with what it is that you want. And I feel like it's kind of, the energy I'm getting is that your inner Empress wants you to focus on that at this time. Okay, so if there has been maybe, and I feel this could also apply to some of you who may have had, like when you have an idea and you'd be really enthusiastic, and then you may want to share and say, this is what I want to do, and then you might have someone that goes, oh, are you sure, are you this? And I feel like it's kind of saying, you know what, you've tried that, now let's do something different. Okay. And we have, when beggar a beg, him never get rich. So when beggar a beg from beggar, him never get rich. And this simply means You know, if someone is constantly begging and begging from someone who's in the same position as them, no one gets any better. No one gets any better. Okay? Intuitive gem. Okay, I feel like the intuitive gem combined with this Jamaican proverb is giving me that whole message again about maybe sharing of like your dreams and aspirations, and being mindful, because you know, if you, again, if it goes back to what we said earlier, if you're sharing it and it's with somebody who may not be invested, or they may have a kind of a like let's put it in a polite way, like a lack mindset, like rather than seeing things as the glass is empty, sorry, the glass is full or half full, they're like, no, my glass is always empty. So it's like if you're trying to talk or reason with somebody who always sees that their glass is always empty, you're always going to feel, well, this was a very depleted conversation, wasn't it? I hope that's making sense, collective. But I feel like this is the energy that your inner Empress may have experienced, and I feel like I'm getting like a damper energy on your inner Empress, and I feel like your inner Empress is really saying is to take that away now. Take that away. I'm no longer going to be feeling like I need to dampen my energy so I can suit you or so I can match you. Someone needed to hear this. So be mindful of your circle, your mindset, and who you have around you, because energy attracts energy. Let's keep that in mind, collective. So let's have a look at the self-care messages. So we're going to just read the front, because quite a few came out for you. So I feel like there's more than one messages here, but there's a strong energy here about being mindful of, you know, how much you share, especially if you're around people who may not have the same aspirations or dreams or ambitions, and that may have created a dampened kind of where you felt like you may have had to dim your light to let them shine. That's the strong energy that I'm getting here, and I feel like the energy here that your inner Empress is really want you to say, stop that, darling, we have to stop that, we have to stop that. That energy can no longer reside here. Okay, no longer reside here. My inner Empress, my Empress energy is my true alignment. I'm in a true alignment with my inner Empress, and that my inner Empress, just as like my inner Emperor, you know, my divine masculine, my divine feminine energy, they both have to prosper and be in union with one another. Ooh, right. So I am safe. This is the first message. I am safe. You know, take a deep breath. And a B breath is a powerful way to bring you back to your calm, abiding center. So I'm just gonna have a quick look on that. What's the B breath? So the B breath is it says to close your eyes, breathe in through your nose. So we can do this together. You ready? Let's do it together. All right. So close your eyes, breathe in through your nose. Exhale with your lips closed, with a gentle, quiet hum. So it should sound something like this. I don't know if you could hear that, but it's just a very silent, you can hear silent. Okay. Now bring your hands to your heart and feel how your vibration relaxes you as you breathe in and exhale. Okay, and how the sound gives you your mind an anchor, a beautiful distraction from unhelpful thoughts. This breathing exercise and breathing practice naturally lengthens your exhalation, which helps you to regulate your nervous system, So extend tenderness towards yourself as you take 5 calming B breaths, and continue to take some more if it feels good to you. So you hear that, collective? Taking time, just to taking those deep breaths can really help you as well, and help that inner Empress as well. Connect with your inner Empress. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. And you can always go back, replay back this message, okay? Right, I am held. Mindfully choose what you wear today to feel wrapped up in care. Oh, I love this one. I love this. So, mindfully choose what you wear today to feel wrapped up in care. So it could be something like a nice shawl, a nice kind of like a cardigan, or something where you can feel really really safe and warmth, get all of those kind of things. Think of like the Empress energy, okay, or something that's fit for an Empress. What would you wear today, Empress? What would you wear today, Empress? Put it in the comments below. Okay, I am aligned with my values. Again, we mentioned this earlier about being aligned with your values. This resides here. Okay, being in alignment with my true desires, with my ambitions, with my dreams, with my goals, with my desires. Yes, we're claiming it. Clarifying our values and setting them into motion in daily life is the perfect recipe for inner peace. Yes, for inner peace. The perfect recipe is to be in true alignment. And I feel like this is what your inner Empress wants you to know right now. I am deserving of joy. Cultivate the skill of savoring, and you will have the access to joy in any moment. And tap into that energy of telling yourself, yes, I am deserving of joy. I'm deserving of love. I am deserving of abundance. I am deserving of respect. Yes, we are claiming this. And I am present. Use a precious object to keep you connected with the present moment and what matters most to you. So this could be a crystal, it could be keys, it could be a gift, it could be a piece of jewelry, anything that will help you to resonate with the present. Okay, and I can be my own safe place. Yes, let's click our finger. Oh yes. Rather than trying to totally clear your mind, which is not challenging but impossible, give your mind something soothing to anchor on. And again, if there are things that are worrying you, write it down. Complete like a releasing meditation that will help you to kind of release and let go of things that are not in line with you. And maybe it could whether it's like a mindset, an attitude, or this feeling of not being deserving and worthy of love, abundance. We're letting go of that. Come on, take my hand, we're letting go, Okay, let's have a look at the tarot. We haven't even started with the tarot yet. Hey, look at this. So we have the 7 of Pentacles. Maybe that it could have been that reflection of looking at back in the past, thinking, I wish I coulda, shoulda. Is everything that I've, everything I've worked for, everything, whether it could have been in a loving relationship, romantic relationship, or whether it could be taking that time to invest, to build and grow something, whether it could be something to do with, love, money, and career. It could be like looking back at like, oh my gosh, like all of this, and now I'm letting this go. But look what's here. Look away. Look at that. The Empress. The Empress is here. The Empress is here for power free. The energy of free. Thank you, Empress. So, with the King of Wands being here, I feel like the King of Wands is saying, get into that fiery, passionate, doing energy and being in alignment with what it is that you truly want, what is it you truly desire. Because you taking on, I feel like it's almost saying, by taking on this energy of doing will help you to then not only just connect with your I feel like it's like your divine masculine energy of taking, because our masculine energy can really, resonate with taking action, doing things. But I feel like it's behind that energy, this is where your Empress energy lies, because your Empress energy is also that energy of that doing, but it's more in a nurturing way. And I feel like it's kind of your energy right now is really wanting you to kind of focus on, don't feel no way. This is the energy I'm getting. Don't feel no way about what you truly want, what you truly desire, what you deem as worthy. Like, your self-respect, that is more than deserving. Your working towards unconditional love is more than worthy. You're more than worthy and deserving of this. And I feel like it's kind of saying, tapping into this and tapping into this energy of the King of Wands will help to uplift, to help to shift, and it will help your inner Empress energy to flourish. Look at the energy of the Empress right now. Look at the garments. Look how she is covered in such safe warmth. It's giving emotional warmth already in her garments. Look how safe and secure she's looking right now. And I feel like this is what your inner Empress wants you to do right now. Okay, so let's have a look at some well-being messages that you need to hear right now. Okay, what does your inner Empress, for the collective who chose Power 3, what does your inner Empress want you to know right now? Can we have some messages, please? Just a quick little shuffle. Let's see what wants to come out. Okay, thank you. We'll pull these two out because they were popping out. Spend some time with your pet. Now, if you have a pet or if you can, a place where you can go and visit animals, I feel like that will be a really good way. Again, it's like taking action. Okay, think of the King of Wands. Okay, it's like the King of Wands represents the king of action, taking action. Okay, focusing on their true desires, their true passions. Okay, eat your favorite foods. Again, that's you really going back into tapping into your passions, what you love doing. This is the message I'm getting, is what do you love doing? Okay, what do you love doing? I don't know if anybody's watched Coming to America, but the scene that's really resonating right now is when the prince, okay, played by Eddie Murphy, is seeking a wife, but he's seeking a wife who is very different to him, who will challenge him, okay, who will make him think, okay. So he's looking for somebody who does not have maybe the same mindset as him. And the first or potential wife that comes, she's very beautiful, very attractive, everything that he could possibly want in a wife physically, but mentally it wasn't giving what it needed to give. It wasn't giving what it needed to give. So the more he tried to ask questions, okay, what is it that you like? And she couldn't give any answers. It was, well, whatever you like. No, but whatever you like. But, okay, so what about foods? What about, going, whatever you like? And I feel like this is the message here of saying, no. We gotta stop there. We're gonna stop there right now, because it's again going back to what is it you like. Tapping into what you like doing, what you enjoy doing. Okay, there's a strong message here of that. And don't feel no way. If you like roller skating, go out and book a roller skating session. If you like watching movies, go out there and tap into it. Okay, maybe you could even write reviews for movies. This is the energy that I'm getting. If there is anything that you enjoy doing, as long as it's healthy, there's no, it doesn't cause harm to anybody, and it's a healthy outlet. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Book a chiropractor session. Now this could also feeling like that, the weight on your shoulders, the weight on your back, but I feel like this could also maybe tapping into looking after yourself, and your energy, whether it's an exercise or a yoga or anything like that. I feel like really tapping into looking after yourself. Okay, no phone, and so no phones, or having no access to your phone an hour before bed. And I feel like this could be a really good way as well to being at peace, connecting with your intuitive energy, that again, nurturing, looking after yourself, pouring love into yourself. Try a weighted blanket again, that can help you to feel nice and secure, feel that cocoon energy. Okay, think of like a little caterpillar, and that protects itself in a cocoon energy before it blossoms into its beautiful butterfly, beautiful wings, that transformation process. This is what I see for your inner Empress energy right now. Okay, write a gratitude list. Yes. Okay, it could be a great way to help you to, reaffirm who you are. Okay, reaffirm that you are that. Okay, you are that. Okay, you end it. Okay, I'm gonna say it and you end it with, reaffirm that you are that. You are that. You are that. Yes, you are that Empress. And what? Yes, you are that Empress. Recognize it. Claim that for yourself. You are the Empress, and you deserve to be loved. You deserve to be respected. Okay, we're not about no arrogance here. This is your abundant right. Okay, this is your birthright. Let's claim it. Yes. Go to a comedy club. Again, doing the things that you love, doing the things that you enjoy doing. Okay, get some fresh air. Look at all of these nurturing messages of expansion and growth. Wow, collective. Right, we're going to, last but not least, end this message with a clarification message, or from the good karma. So let's have a look and see for the good karma messages. Can we have a lasting message, please, for the collective who chose power 3? What is their inner Empress wants them to know right now? Ooh, that was quick. This came out for pile 2. So I feel like, watching pile 2 will also be really good. Perhaps even just watching all of these messages, because I feel like every single, pick a card, yes, but I feel like, you can gather all of the intuitive gems from every single read. But I feel like this now, with the 4 of Cups, and it was in the same position, it came out reverse again. I feel like this is like you now claiming that cup. Perhaps before, when there was an opportunity for you to do something that will benefit yourself, benefit your growth, you may have hindered because maybe you might have thought about what others may think and how they may be impacted. And again, it goes back to that energy that I had recently in the read, was that you may have felt like you had to dim your light. This is the energy I was getting, that you may have felt like you had to dim your light. And I feel like it's like no more. No more, because then it took you away from seeing your opportunity to grow, your opportunity to expand. And now it's your time to grab, take those blessings. Take those blessings. No wisher, no coulda, no shoulda. I'm going to take those blessings. I'm going to tap into the energy of the King of Wands, okay, and embrace them. Embrace my passions. Not be like, no more, oh, whatever you like. What? No, no, no. I like this. This is what I like. This is what I like. And I'm reaffirming that I am the what? I am that what? Yes, you are that Empress. Claim that energy for yourself. All right, collective, I hope the messages are resonating. You know what we like to do around here? Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. I saw it go. That's how it goes around here. But be sure to look good, feel good, tap into that energy, big up yourself every time. Stay blessed. All right, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.